7 small manufacturing machines that you can just import from China and start your business in Cameroon or in any part of Africa with just 2,000 US dollars or plus or minus 1 million francs CFA. Ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to the Business in Africa YouTube channel. My name is Rufo Chifo, and as you know, I always bring good ideas for businesses that you can do wherever you are, and you just start small and grow big. So in this video, I'm talking about 7 machines, like you can just get them right away, import them from China, set it up, and start your business wherever you are. But before I go into the countdown, I just want to, share with you the criteria that I actually use to select these machines. Like, the first criteria is that they are affordable. As I said already, well below or plus or minus 2,000 US dollars. That's plus or minus 1 million francs CFA. You can convert that into your currency anywhere you are in Africa. So these are machines that are very, very affordable. That's number one. Number two, I decided to choose small size machines, like they can fit into very small workspaces. So you won't have to, start up a very big factory where you have to start buying land, properties, and building so many sophisticated structures, okay? So you can start these kind of businesses from your home, or if you have a one room in your backyard, you can just start from there or from your garage, okay? So this is the second criteria I use in this video to choose the businesses or the machines. Now, number 3 is these machines are going to be producing high demand products, like daily products that people use on a daily basis. So you see, it means there's a very, very huge demand for the machines that you are going to be seeing in this video. And of course, this implies that it has a very high return on investment. That's called ROI. So that's the 4th criteria, high ROI, and it can usually pay you back between 6 and 12 months. So if you're interested in any of these type of machines, then don't go anywhere, because I'll be talking about that in this video. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. Number 1 on my list is liquid detergents and soap making machines. Yeah, I'm sure you guys know that liquid detergents and soaps are used on a daily basis by almost every household. So if you get a machine and you start producing any of this, then believe me, you can get a very, very good ROI, return on investment. And of course, this machine will cost anywhere around $400 to about $1,200, depending on the size. And it has high demand in households, hotels, and restaurants. You can easily import this from China, and believe me, you're going to make money between 6 and 12 months from this. Number 2 on my list is the peanut butter or groundnut paste machine. Yeah, this machine is also good to make groundnut paste, like peanut butter, and also sesame paste. You can also do any other type of paste that you have around your area. No matter where you are in Africa, look at the kind of paste that people consume, and you can just grind it in this machine and then produce your paste and bottle it, okay? And this machine usually it will cost you around 500 to 1,000 US dollars from China. And of course, when you do this, you can sell in your supermarkets or convenience or grocery stores around your area and make a lot of money in less than no time. Guys, before I continue this video, I just want to let you all know that if you need any of these machines, okay, as you're watching, if you need any of these machines, you can contact me. My numbers are on the screen. You can contact me, and if you're in Cameroon, we can make it available for you at the fastest time possible, because I've got connectivity in China. She is the plug. You understand? So if you need any of the machines, I have difficulties or I don't know where to go, no worries, just contact me. I'm going to make the machines available for you based on how what you want and all of that. So I've got a very, very good plug in China, and we'll work this out. This is somebody that I use to import my own machines, so I'm going to help you as well. Number 4 on my list, I think it's number 3 now. Number 3 on my list is small oil press machine. Yeah, oil press, like just a small machine. As you can see on the screen, you can use this machine to press all sorts of oil. You can extract palm oil, you can extract groundnut oil, you can extract soy oil, and with just $600 to about $1,500, this machine is right at your doorsteps. So it's profitable for food processing, food oil, and even cosmetics. You understand? So like avocado oil, all this type of oil, you can use them. You can extract them and sell to cosmetic shops as well. So this machine is available in China at a very low cost. So you can also get this. And then of course, number 4 on my list is the egg incubator machine. Now, egg incubation has so many different types of sizes, like 500 eggs, 1,000 eggs, 2,000, 10,000. So depending on the size, but there are smaller ones for about 1,000, 2,000 eggs, which you can get for from $300 to about $1,500. And if you're interested in agriculture, or you are somewhere where there are a lot of poultries, you can venture into this kind of machine. But remember, before you get started in this business, you need to learn the process. You need to understand how to incubate eggs and the follow-up, and ensure that there is always electricity to give the right temperature in the incubators. But believe me, one chick now sells for about 550 francs CFA in Douala, and I don't know how much that sells in your country, but if you do that, if you incubate 2,000 eggs, and after every 3 weeks, 21 days, you can just do the maths. So guys, as I said earlier, if you need any of these machines, remember you can contact the numbers on the screen. We are going to work this out, and you can have them here in Cameroon or in Africa, anywhere you are in Africa. And I also added something this time around. Like, if any of these businesses you're interested in, then you can contact us as well for the business plan. I've done what we call the Rufus Action Business Plan, okay? It's a 10 to 20 page document for each of these businesses that has everything from operating plan to marketing plan to financial projections. And it's a special business plan model that I developed myself, that I just want to help everyone out there get started. So if you want to get started in any of this business, you can contact me. A business plan sells for 100,000 francs CFA. That's 100,000 francs CFA, which is about $200 only. I don't want to charge much, okay? But I just want to help you get started. So if you have that kind of money and you want a business plan, you can contact me. I'm going to make the business plan available for you, no matter where you are in Africa or in Cameroon. I'm here in Douala, so you can come and then we do that. But that is the fee, okay? And remember, with this business plan, you can just get started anywhere you are. So guys, that was number 4 on my list. Let's go to now number 5, which is plastic bags or sachet sealing machine. Now, with a sachet sealing machine, there are just so many types of businesses you can do here. You can seal water, you can seal juice, you can seal detergents, you can seal spices. So you see, just having one plastic sealing machine, you can decide which business you want to get into. And these machines are usually not very bulky, small in space, affordable. With just about $1,000 to $1,500 you can get a very good plastic sealing machine in China. And of course, you can use that to start your business anytime, any day. Number 6 on my list is small briquettes or charcoal making machine. Like briquettes nowadays are gaining a lot of recognition in the renewable energy sector. Like, you just use wood ash or charcoal, and then you form them into briquettes using this machine you see on the screen. And it burns faster, it burns more, and it takes longer time to finish. Like, people are using it as alternative to the usual charcoal. Okay, so there are so many types of briquettes. It's a whole ball game to enter into briquettes making. But if you are someone who is looking at getting into renewable energy, then you can get into this business by buying this machine for just about $1,500 and you get started. This can be imported from China and you are good to go. If you need it, contact me, as I said earlier. Number 7 on my list is ice blocks making machine. Yeah, if you do ice blocks, you can sell them to snacks, restaurants, hotels. They usually use ice blocks all the time. So, and when you do the ice blocks, All you need now is just to package them in bags, polythene bags and stuff like that, and put your label on it, and then you are good to go. You are into good business. So with ice blocks machines, depending on the size as well, you can get a good one from $800 to $1,500, $2,000, and that will be very good. For example, for us in Douala here, where the climate is very hot, a lot of people consume ice, in drinks, to use them to mix them in their drinks, in their cocktails and stuff like that during events and things like that. So if you start this business in Cameroon or in anywhere you are in Africa, I am sure this business can be a very profitable one. So guys, those were the 7 small manufacturing machines I think you can import from China and make a lot of money within a very short period of time. As I already said, we are now offering business plans, like, if you have 100,000 francs CFA or $200, you can contact me. Let's talk about the business plan. It's there, it's ready. We will just need to provide it to you, and from there you can get started with your business. The business plan format is a Rufus Action business plan format. It's about 10 to 20 pages each. And if you get this, it's going to really help you to get started. If you want any of these machines from China, feel free to contact us. We have a shop block in China, and we are going to make the machines available to you as well. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Rufus Chifu. Thank you so much for watching, and don't go away. Keep watching. There are just so many other videos on this channel like this one. And if you have any questions that you want to ask me, drop in the comment section below, because I usually do videos in response to the questions from my viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.